Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have an administrator account and power connected. Interruptions can corrupt the process. Once ready, open Settings, go to System, then Recovery. If Windows won't boot, use a Recovery USB or Advanced Startup. Make sure to note the date and description of the restore point you intend to use so you don't pick the wrong snapshot. Now proceed to the Restore interface and choose System Restore. This is the only way we'll roll the system state back safely. You'll see a list of restore points sorted by date. Examine descriptions and pick a point created before your issue began. Once selected, click Scan for affected programs to see what will change. This explains which apps or drivers will be removed or restored so you understand the consequences. If the scan looks acceptable, click Next, then Confirm. The system queues the restore and schedules a reboot. Make sure you saved all open work, because the machine will restart immediately to apply the restore. The PC will reboot and apply the restore. You should not interrupt power or force shutdown. Let the process finish until you see the login screen. After signing in, verify system stability by opening critical applications and checking device drivers in Device Manager. If the system fails to boot or the issue persists, you can run safe mode and either undo the restore from System Restore or try a different restore point. Quick troubleshooting tip: if undo fails, use a recovery USB to access advanced options.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.